His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, but there's vomit on his sweater already. More spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface it looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking now, everybody's choking now, the clock's run out, time's up, over, blast. Now back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes rabbit. He choked. He's so mad. Oh God, that was funny. The cops. I don't know if the cops saw me.